Hi everybody, it's Claudia from Create with Claudia. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a really fun unboxing video with this new stash builder box from Sewers Club. So stay tuned. So I want to say thank you first off to Sewers Club for giving me this opportunity to promote their new Stash Builder box. This is a subscription box, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the subscription. And right away I knew I wanted to do it when they approached me. It sounded like a fun idea, and you know, we all love getting more fabric, and a Stash Builder box is a great way to do that. What I really loved about this box are all the customizable options that you have at their website when you ordered it. That I think was probably one of my favorite parts. I haven't even looked at the fabric yet. I'm going to show them to you the same time I open them. So that's kind of exciting. But I wanted to tell you a little bit about the box first. So number one, it's really customizable. I could go in and I could choose monthly delivery, bi-monthly delivery, or quarterly delivery. So that's a nice option for, you know, people who have a lot of fabric or beginners who are just starting out and want to increase their fabric stash. I think that's a great option. The other thing I could choose were the colors I wanted. Perhaps there's a color you don't prefer, or maybe you like all the colors. It's completely customizable, and I really liked that option. I could also choose what types of fabrics I wanted. So if I didn't like holidays or something like that, I could choose that I didn't want that. One more thing that's customizable, and this is another great option, is you can choose how many fat quarters you'd want each month, or each bi-monthly or quarterly. You can choose from 5 fat quarters, 10 fat quarters, or 15. I got 15 this month, so I'm excited to see what they are. But that is also a great option. You know, customizable in every way. I really love that function about this. I had fun choosing what I wanted. And last but not least is fabrics you never want to get. So if there's a certain type of fabric that you're just not interested in, you can choose that too. And I really think that's a great option. So again, thank you so much to Sewers Club. Let me tell you a little bit about Sewers Club. They have over 1,500 different fabrics, and they add to them monthly. They have lots of sewing notions as well, so they have you covered on everything that you need. They have other subscription boxes too. They had one as a monthly project box, and that looked interesting to me. And you get from everything from the start to the finish for one project. I think that's a great idea. Sometimes, you know, you're stuck on what you're going to make, and something like that you get every month prompts you to do a new project, and it's all there for you. So it's great for beginners as well as somebody who maybe just doesn't want to spend a lot of time in the planning process and just wants to get down to making something. One of the things that intrigued me about that project box is there's also a video in it. And as you know, since you're here, you know I love doing videos. So I also like watching videos, and it's always helpful. I find I'm a visual learner, so I like to learn that way. But anyway, you might want to check out their monthly project boxes as well. They also offer gift cards. I know sometimes people don't know what to get me for the holidays or my birthday or something like that, and I love getting gift cards from certain places, so a Sewers Club gift card is a great idea for folks too. So before I switch over the camera, I do want to say one more thing, and this is the important stuff. If you use my code Create with Claudia, and I have it on the screen for you, make sure to use that when you're signing up for your first subscription box. Not for all of them, but just for your first one, you will get 25% off. That's a pretty good savings. So go over to their website, check it out. I have all the links in the description of the video. And now for the good stuff, I'm going to show you the fabric we got. All right, so here we are, getting ready to open my box. It has some cute little things. It's a nice heavy-duty cardboard box, really nice to store some scraps. And if you know me, you know I'm a scrap quilter, so I'm always looking for storage ideas that are cheap and or even free. So here's a great one. I'll be keeping this box. So I'm just going to flip it open, and yes, I did clip it open, but I did not peek. And it comes, ooh, this looks so pretty. Sew and Share. It has their website on it, and it talks about if you make projects with the fabric, use the hashtag Sewers Club. That's a great idea. I always love using hashtags. Comes with a card. It's also nicely wrapped in some tissue paper. I like that little protected. And oh, on the back, this is very helpful. And I can't tell if it's handwritten or printed. If it's handwritten, they have a great handwriting, whoever wrote this. It tells you all the fabrics in the box. That is extremely helpful, and it will help me when I'm going through these with you. So I'm going to set this aside, and we are going to take a tour of the fabrics I got this month. And again, I got 15 fat quarters. So first up is Scented Garden Butterflies. Very pretty. It's a really nice gray background, a sort of a lighter gray background with a floral gray on white background. And then these, really the star of the show on this one, of course, are these butterflies. There's pink and there's purple and yellow and there's some bumblebees and a little bit of greenery. Very pretty, nice fat quarter. Let's see where I put those there so you can see them all. One thing I really like about this list is sometimes, you know, when you're cutting fat quarters, you don't always get that selvage, so you don't know the name of the fabric. So this is very helpful to have. The next one is Scented Garden Floral Multi. Oh, look at this one. This has lots more. It's obviously the same line as this one. It has some writing on the back, some yellow butterflies, some more bumblebees, dahlias, roses. Looks like white lilacs and some hydrangeas. Absolutely gorgeous. There's another view of it. This is perfect timing. I'm getting this box in May, so it's great for spring. It's very springy fabric, so it's perfect for this time of year. Next up is Scented Garden Gray, and this is, if you go back to this first one, it's the background fabric only of this one. So it's all part of this set. Very nice neutral. I'm always looking for neutrals. Not only do I like scrappy quilts, I like doing low volume scrappy quilts. And so I like low volume fabrics, and this is lovely. Real pretty, a nice real sort of a bright gray. I like it. It's a light gray, but it's also a bright gray. I don't know if that makes sense. So that is Scented Garden Gray. Next up is Colorworks Premium Solid Gray. This is a nice light gray, very light gray, very pale, but I like that. Bordering on white, I think. It's hard, maybe the light's not quite, but it's a nice, real subtle light gray. And who knows, you know, we always need solids in our stash. Everybody needs a solid. The next one up is Kingyo Bonsai Trees. Look at this. Ooh, I like this. This has a little bit more of a modern look to it. It is, let's see, it's got some coral in it, very pale coral. It has a cream, very light cream background, and then some navy and a little bit of a lighter navy, and then a light blue, and then some brown. Very pretty color palette. I like that a lot. So that is Kingyo Bonsai Trees. Let's see, after that is fabric number 6, and this is a Life in Pattern. Very nice. I'm not sure what leaves these are. Very pretty, though. It's like a dusty royal blue, if that makes sense. Maybe more like a steel blue. It's very pretty on a white background with some navy. Just a nice floral. Very nice. It really reads blue, which I like. I love blue fabrics, so that'll be great for my blue collection. Next up is, let's see, Promenade Gray. Now this is a floral. Very nice. A darker gray background. Oh, this has animals on it. Look at that. It has some snakes, some sort of a bird. Let's see. I think these might be more mythical creatures. I'm not sure. There's a fox. That's not mythical. An alligator. It has all kinds of creatures on it. So I think it has real ones and then some mythical ones. But it's very pretty. It has some blue leaves and vines, and then even has a little bit of pink in there, like a lavender color. Very nice. Oh, this is fun. I love unboxing like this. Who doesn't love getting new fabric? And when it's a surprise, it adds a little extra something to it. So that's Promenade Gray. And then we come to another solid. I love that they intermix the solids. This is Colorworks Premium Solid Purple, and this is a lighter purple. This would go really nicely. Look at that. With that, it almost matches that perfectly. Very nice. Colorworks Premium Solid Purple. And next up, I'm going to try and fold these neatly. Next up is Homemade Purple Machines. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Let's see what this is. Definitely. This is Free Spirit. This is a Tulip Pink fabric. Very pretty. Look at that bright kick of purple. Oh, gorgeous. It's actually sewing machines. That makes sense since it's purple machines. It's like purple polka dots on the green background with the light purple background. Very fun. Oh, I like this. This will be fun. So that's that one. And that was purple sewed number, let's see, here we go. Homemade Orange and Pink. Oh, this just screams summer. Well, it screams any year, any time of year, but especially to me, it screams summer. I love those big, vibrant colors. There's spool of thread, there's scissors. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that zinger of a color. I'm definitely going to use that. I mean, I love pinks anyway, and this has a pink and maybe a coral sort of blending there together for that pattern. But to me, I think it could read coral or pink. So that'd be great to fill in for a scrap quilt or make on its own. All right, the next one is Midsummer Pink Floral. Oh, another pretty one. Again, a little bit on a modern side with a twist, but very pretty. It's almost like a raspberry background. Pale pink, some orange, and some cream. I like this a lot. Oh, I love boxes like this. They're so much fun to open. And yeah, I'm oohing and ahhing, but I love getting fabric. I just love fabric so much, and it's always nice to get fabric like this. Next up is Bliss Raspberry Reflection. Ooh, now this is a little more, it looks like mottled, gorgeous, vibrant pinks and purple fuchsia, and definitely looks like raspberries. That's the back. Very nice fabric. Even has a little bit borders on black, if maybe very dark raspberry there. And, oh, there's 3 more to go. Let's see. Midsummer Mini Pink Floral. Oh, this is pretty. Almost like a ditzy pink. Very pretty, sort of like a bubblegum pink with some outlines and some cream flowers as well. I like that. That's nice. It's almost a little retro look to it. All right, 2 more to go. We have a Colorworks Premium Solid Pink. Very nice. It's a real pale pink, very soft pink. Beautiful. Nice. Like that. And last but not least is a Colorworks Premium Solid Cream color. Nice. Just a very nice, useful solid. I love that they throw in the solids. That's, like I said before, that's great. And if you're a beginner who's just looking into subscription or fabric in general, excuse me, not necessarily subscription boxes, solids are a really good thing to have in your stash. So let me move these over again so you can see them. So here they are all laid out. I tried to keep them neat and tidy. I can't wait to put these on my shelf and actually just start using them. There's some that I'm really eyeing that I can't wait. I love the assortment of colors they gave me, the solids. Okay, I'm back, and I just wanted to give you one last look at the beautiful fabrics I got in my Sewers Club subscription box. This is their new Stash Builder box. It's a new program that they started May 1st of 2022. And I was so excited when they asked me to participate by doing an unboxing video for you. I hope you enjoyed it. It's always fun looking at new fabric. It's always fun getting new fabric, and this is a great way to do it. Like I said at the beginning of the video, it's completely customizable, which is probably my favorite thing about it. You can choose all kinds of things. How many you want to get each month, if you want to get them each month, or every 2 months or every quarter. It's completely up to you. Types of fabric you want, maybe you don't want holiday or something like that. So you can say things that you never want to get, and you can also pick out your favorite colors. I also really love the box it comes in. I always love boxes like that are a little bit fun to look at. That makes it more interesting too. And I love this card that they put in it that has all of the fabrics that you get in it. Because as you know, like I said before, sometimes when you cut fat quarters, it cuts off the selvage, so you don't know who does the fabric. I do hope you give this subscription box a try. Don't forget to use my code, Create with Claudia. It's on the screen, and I'm also going to have all of the information in my video description. Also, the link to go, it goes right to that link and gets you that 25% discount off your first subscription box. Not all of them, just your first one. But 25% is a nice little savings. So make sure to check that out if you're interested, and let me know what you think about it. I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. I always appreciate new subscribers. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you hit the bell, you'll always get notified when a new video of mine comes out. I try to post weekly. I'm not always successful, but sometimes I usually am. But I love doing free tutorials, patterns, tips, that kind of thing. So if you're a quilter and you like new projects, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm also on social media. So thank you again to Sewers Club for asking me to do this unboxing video. It was my pleasure, and a really nice product. And thank you to you for stopping by and watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.